If you aren't holding an offer of a place at university, or if you are interested in applying after the 30th of June, clearing provides you with an opportunity to find the perfect course for you. If you have already applied through UCAS, check the status of your application in Track. If you are in clearing, your clearing number will be displayed here. If you haven't yet applied through UCAS, it's not too late. Contact UCAS and they will provide you with your clearing number. Carefully consider the kind of course that you'd like to study. UCAS regularly update their website with the latest course vacancies, so this is a good place to start. Many universities, including Chester, will also list their own clearing places on their own websites. So, if you have a good idea of the university and the course that you're interested in, you can also look here. Before making an application, contact any universities you might be interested in to see if they can offer you a place. When doing this, make sure you have your highest qualifications to hand as well as your clearing number. If you're offered a place, you should log into Track and refer your application to your chosen institution and course. To do this, you'll need the institution's UCAS number, the name of the course, and the course code. If you're interested in a course at Chester, our UCAS number is C55. Your place should then be confirmed by your chosen institution through Track, and UCAS will send you an email confirming your place. Don't forget to visit any universities you like the look of. You could be spending the next 3 years of your life there, so it's important that you feel reassured that you are making the right choice. Good luck!